Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a showdown you've all been waiting for, Capcut versus other editing software. Which one comes out on top? First, let's pit Capcut against Adobe Premiere Rush. Capcut offers an impressive set of features, but Adobe Premiere Rush is known for its professional-grade capabilities. We'll break down which might suit your needs better. Next up, it's Capcut versus Filmora. Capcut's user-friendly interface is a plus, but Filmora offers a balance of features and price. We'll help you decide which one's right for you. Moving on, we've got Capcut versus InShot. Capcut's versatility is a strong point, but InShot has its own charm with a variety of editing tools. We'll find out which shines brighter. Then, it's Capcut versus Viva Video. Capcut's ease of use is a highlight, but Viva Video has a range of features. Which one offers the editing power you're looking for? Stick around to find out. Now, let's talk Capcut versus KineMaster. Capcut is known for its keyframe animation, but KineMaster is powerful with multiple layers. These apps have their unique qualities, will help you make the call. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights like these. Now, let's discuss who should consider using Capcut. Capcut is beginner-friendly and budget-friendly, but it's also a great choice for social media creators and mobile users. Why is Capcut gaining popularity in the world of video editing? Capcut's ease of use, free availability, and a vast library of resources are significant contributors. We'll delve into the specifics. When should you reach for Capcut, and when might you need something more? We'll provide guidance based on your specific requirements, whether it's a quick edit or a more advanced project. Before we conclude, if you found this information helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Capcut and other editing software. Now, let's talk about where you can download and use Capcut and explore some alternatives available in the market. We'll weigh the pros and cons of each. How does Capcut stack up against other video editing tools in terms of features and ease of use? We'll dive deep into the specifics and even provide a side-by-side comparison to help you make an informed choice. In summary, Capcut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool, but the choice ultimately depends on your unique editing needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us today as we unraveled the world of video editing software, comparing Capcut with some of the industry's top contenders. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more informative content. Until next time.